Alright guys, we have a 2017 Ford Focus. This is the code. We already went through this. We already did the test. We cleared the codes, and the trans adaptation cannot be completed because the traveling of the clutch B is getting stuck. So this is a simple test you can do in order to diagnose whether it's the dual clutch itself, or the TCM, or the actuator. These you can swap it with the actuator A. They're exactly the same, and if the code goes over there, like it starts acting up on the actuator A, then you have an issue with the actuator, right? You gotta rescan it and everything. But right now, what we're trying to figure out is whether we need a dual clutch replacement, or is that straight from the TCM. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it clockwise with your special tool for the shift forks, and it should basically like turn without issues. Like right now is getting pretty hard. It's pretty hard to turn it. So my guess is, and it's not going back at all. So my diagnosis is we're gonna have to drop the clutch. We're definitely gonna have to drop the clutch. It's about 12 to 14 full 360 turns. You gotta turn it like 14 times, and it should go back. That's how you reset it. But I don't think it's gonna go back. So yeah, that's one way to diagnose whether you have a TCM issue, actuator, or the dual clutch. Okay, and the way you know it's not your clutch, these goes back. Like let's say you turn it, right? Because right now I'm gonna turn it. That if the shift fork was good or the clutch was good, this should like go like that, you know. It should reverse the turn. Or once the 14 times that you turn it, it should go like back automatically. Right now I already did the 14 times. It's not going back. It's definitely the clutch. And the thing about this vehicle is that even though you have these codes right here, if you don't do the proper diagnosis and you drop the transmission and you do the clutch, you might be wrong, okay, on doing the clutch, because I've had this exact same code, and I did the test just like I show you guys right now, and it was good. So I replaced the TCM, because I also did the pinpoint test on the TCM, and that's what it basically guided me to replace the TCM, and the code went away automatically. So yeah, I mean, you gotta be really careful on knowing what you're doing, so that way you don't spend or waste money on repairs you don't really need. All right guys, subscribe for more info. Hit the like button. That will help us do more videos like this, where you can actually save some money or guide you to actually to know how to diagnose a vehicle properly.